Hello and welcome to Someka Gap Analysis template. This tool mainly lets you identify your current state and desired state to be able to close the gap between those two performances. Type in the data of your company for the necessary titles. Let's say for objective, we can write increase annual revenue. Let's say our current state is $20 million and our desired state is $25 million. For gap identification, you can choose your answer from the drop-down button. In this case, it is yes. For gap description, we can say lack of good sales strategies. For corrective actions, we can write find mentors to teach new sales strategies. You can also choose your priority from here. In this case, let's say it is high. If you have more objectives, you can press the plus sign to get additional rows. You can also customize the options for gap identification and priority from here. Let's say instead of high, we would like to see extreme. Once you do that, you have to re-choose from here. You can also apply the same procedure for gap identification and re-choose from the column. Once you input your data, the charts are going to adjust themselves automatically. And also, if you don't like to see the charts, press minus sign to close the charts. And in the end, if you have any professional opinions, you can write it into this part. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check our other templates at www.someka.net.